Hello guys, welcome to today's edition of the MapGo tutorial training. Today we'll be talking about conditioner and herbal conditioner. I'm sure some of us must have watched the old one we made, just the plain one. Today we are going to be adding some additives to make our herbal conditioner. Stay tuned as we go into the practical section. Welcome back to the practical section. Here is my conditioner. You can remember I said we could check the pictures of any products we make on this channel on our Instagram handle, so you can go check up this. Here is our conditioner. I'm just going to transform this conditioner into the herbal one. So if you want to make your herbal conditioner, you have to watch the way we made that conditioner video, then you translate it the way I'm going to just do this. So I'm going to pour in my conditioner. I'll be pouring it inside this container. So I've succeeded in pouring everything. This is 500 grams of my conditioner. Thereafter, I'll be dissolving my menthol with this alcohol. Menthol helps in killing dandruff, so this conditioner can be referred to as anti-dandruff conditioner. It's an herbal conditioner. You can refer to it as an anti-dandruff conditioner. The menthol will dissolve. I'm trying to dissolve the menthol inside the alcohol. While we wait for that to dissolve, here is my neem water. We can refer to it and just bring your neem leaf, add little water and try to blend. Then I'm adding in my neem water. I'm trying to look for the cover of the alcohol. I've added in my neem water. You can see that my menthol has dissolved inside the alcohol, or let me say totally almost dissolved. So I'm pouring that also into the conditioner, and I'm going to be covering this to give it a thorough shake. The moment I'm done shaking this, our herbal conditioner is ready. Don't forget, I'll be posting in the pictures of end products. I'll be posting in the picture on our Instagram handle. You can check the link below for the Instagram handle. So this particular conditioner will give you a peppery sensation when you use it. It's going to kill the stuff, so it's going to act as an anti-dandruff on your hair to work against any negative impediment or anything that could work against hair growth. Thank you for watching. If you are probably not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for coming all the way. See you in the next video. Bye.
You are still on camera.